Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay January 17, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 17, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 17, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM the result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 17, 2026 Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, January 17, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 17, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.